Hey, hon, you want to check your Facebook messages? I've been getting really weird messages from this guy named Britt Styles. Man, I wish the surf was up today, but it's not. Taking the rods. All right, we are packed up, ready to go. Got the rods, got the cooler. If this gate ever opens, there we go. Could try to catch some dinner or lunch. It's about 11 a.m. Got a couple sacred spots around the Houston area. Stay tuned, let's go. I've actually never seen anybody else here, and I've been fishing here for about 10 years. Been out here about 20 minutes. Had a couple bites. Excuse me. I was using this at first. I had a few nibbles on it. Changed over. I'm using these Excitabites. Never tried them. Casted out about 3. Haven't felt anything yet, but we'll give it a couple more tries before switching back. Found this cool little snake. Maybe y'all can see it. Not sure what kind of snake it is. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. Dang nabbit. There's my bait. There's the tree. Yeah, this is stupid. It's like a piñata. I got it off one branch, but now it's on the higher branch. There you go. So I just cast it out, and here's my line. It stopped like midway and just dropped. What's going on here? All right, I'm done. It's locked. So I'm probably gonna have to cut this line. And I'm probably just gonna go build a tree house. I'm done. I'm out of here. Later. Well, I went ahead and cut my line. Now I'm fishing like the old days so I can get this lure back. I found this actually on the beach. I'll just send a picture to my wife and tell her I caught a minnow. Can't come home empty-handed, right? I might just go to the damn Chinese market and get a fish and say I caught it. Catch and cook, baby. Just a quick update. It's gonna be steak tonight. No fish. My wife says I'm not allowed to open this. Usually I would grill it when it's raining outside.